Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear grade 6 students, hello again. I am Ahmed Al Farahati and I wish you all the best of everything. Today, inshallah, we will study Unit 2, The World of Food, Lesson 2. Please open your skills book to page 16. This page. What are the aims of this lesson? Let's check. Unit 2, The World of Food. Lesson 2, ClassBook Pages 12 and 13. Skills book, page 16, Activity 1. The aims. In this lesson, students will understand the time difference. Ask and answer questions about time. Answer WH questions using the present continuous. Dear students, before we start the lesson, you were asked to remove the cutout page 79 from the back of your skills book, and you were asked to draw the correct time on the clocks and write the time underneath. Yes, this page, and I'll give you the answers here in order to check yours. These are the answers. Yes, it's 11:30 in London, it's 3:30 in Muscat, it's 8:30 in Tokyo at the same time. And here, it's 6 o'clock in Cairo, it's 8 o'clock in Muscat, and it's 1 o'clock in Tokyo at the same time. Number 3, it's 6:15 in Tokyo, it's 1:15 in Muscat, and it's 9:15 in London at the same time. Number 4, it's 5:45 in Muscat, it's 10:45 in Tokyo, and it's 1:45 in London at the same time. The aim of this activity is to understand the time zones and to understand the time difference. Now let's go to page 12 and 13 of your class book. These are the time zones, and you knew that we have 24 time zones, and you knew that if you want to ask about the time, you can ask saying, what's the time? Yes, what's the time in Muscat? It's 6:30. What's Maha doing? She's eating breakfast. Okay? Now let's go to page 16 of your skills book, activity 1. Look and answer. Look at pages 12 and 13 of your class book and answer these questions. What's Abbas doing? He's eating breakfast. What's Maria doing? What are Maha and Petra doing? What's David doing? What are Ben and Maria doing? You are asked to look again at page 12 and 13 of your class book and try to answer these questions in the present continuous tense. Let's look at the pages again. Yeah, look at these pictures, look at the time, and try to answer the questions. Take your time to do the activity, then come back to check your answers. Hello again. I'll write the answers in order to check yours. If you look carefully at the 2 pages, and if you look at the clocks, you will find that Maria is eating dinner. She's eating dinner. What are Maha and Petra doing? If you look at page 13, you will find that they are eating breakfast. What's David doing? Yes, excellent. He's eating lunch. What are Ben and Maria doing? Yes, they're eating dinner. If you look at these questions and the answers, you will find that in questions 1, 2, and 4, is used because we have a singular subject. But in questions 3 and 5, we have plural subjects. So are is used here. Okay? You studied the present continuous tense in Unit 1. You are asked to revise it again in order to be able to ask and answer questions like these. By this, we've achieved the aims of this lesson. Thank you for following me. Goodbye.